everybody. Today we have a gentleman called Heinz. Hello, Heinz.
Hello.
And Heinz is an architect.
I'm specialized on eco-architecture based on sacred geometry.
Yes.
But I'm also a sculptor, painter. I'm working, I call it, I make art of the heart.
Mm-hmm. Yes. So the reason why I've got you here today, Heinz, is because Heinz has completed the one kit.
Yeah.
And you lost how many kilos of stuff?
Oh, the first day, about 1 kilo.
1 kilo passed through you of this stuff.
Yeah.
And the stuff that's passed is kind of like fatty, ropey stuff. And looking at it, it could be like from dairy, because you did like your dairy, didn't you?
You want to see it?
Yeah. So, okay, we're going to put that up. So this is just part of what you passed. So 1 kilo.
I guess, I
yes,
only can
3
guess.
kilos, yeah. So anyway, yeah, Heinz, you had high blood pressure.
Yeah.
Which was reading, what was it reading first of all?
Oh, the beginning of this year, it was more than 200.
Right. Okay, but where, and it went down a bit to where was it?
Yeah, with breathing I bring it down to 160.
Okay.
And with this cleanse I'm down to 130,
Wow.
140. 140.
Right, yes.
20.
And then your blood sugar was reading?
Yeah, the highest was about 14,
yes,
maybe 14.5.
Yes.
And this morning I measured, after 1 week, I measured 7.8.
And it was actually down 2 days after, wasn't it?
Yeah, after
the kit.
Yeah, after I take the kit, it was after 2 days you can say it was
2
down
days.
less than 10 already.
So there was a big change within 2 days, and you actually started movement, passing stuff actually on the day of taking the sachets, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, same as me. So you eliminate very easily. Yeah.
Already 10.5 hours after I started.
Yeah. So also what I really notice is this lovely colouring you've got in your cheeks, and Heinz now has this lovely pink flush, which is really good indication of circulation in the heart. But that sort of ropey stuff that Heinz has passed is, I think it's like fat, and it could be to do with dairy as well. But there was a lot of that sort of ropey fat, wasn't there?
Mostly.
Yeah. So Heinz actually came because he was diagnosed with protein in your urine. And so he's really going to go for the urine cleanse, the kidney cleanse. But you're going to go and do the liver cleanse, aren't you, next?
Yeah, because the kidney cleanse is not available
yes.
at the moment.
So
I'm waiting for it.
But doing the liver cleansing will take the pressure off the kidneys, that's for sure. So yeah, that's the next step, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you're quite pleased with the results, pleasantly pleased.
I'm totally excited about this. I'm not only pleased.
So we've got another Zen Cleanz advocate here, I would say, with you, Heinz, because it was a really good result. So yeah, one kit changes within 2 days, amazing. And I'm really excited to hear about the Forgive Cleanse when you do that. So thank you for joining us. We met at the PHA meetings, and we connected straight away. And
my website is.
Your website, yes, is
Sacred Geometry Architecture.
Yes.
.com.
Yes, done amazing work, haven't you?
Yeah, the other one is not ready.
Yeah.
for sculpturing and painting and so on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you, Heinz.
Thank you.
Thank you.